everyone. Let's continue on learning modern JavaScript. So this session we learn loops. In JavaScript we have while, do while, and a for loop. So let's take a look at the while loop. While loop, we have a condition, we have a code, then do some work inside the so-called loop body. So let's take a look at one example here. So the condition is I smaller than 3, so we get 0, 1, and 2. When the I becomes 3, the condition is not satisfied anymore, so it will jump out the while. So for this one, we put a condition I. So for this case, when I equals 3, it's good, then just go here. If I equals 0, this condition will be false. So the while loop is done. So let's take a look at this one. We can do the same because we only have one line here, so you don't have to put curly brace. Let's take a look at the do while loop. Do while loop, you do the work first, then check the condition after. So for this one, we print out the I, then we increase the I, then we check the condition. So do while and while, that's the only difference. So you do, then you check. The while is you check first, then do. For loop we can do starting part and the condition check, then increase the counter. So we do the work inside of the curly brace. Yeah, you also can move the declaration out like this, then do the work here. You also can do something like this. You define the value and set the value, and then you don't do anything for the first part. Then you check the condition, then you can do this part, or you can do this part. You increase the counter within the body. You also can do something like this. This one, it's like a while true or something. It will just go inside the for loop body, do the work. You can put some break condition inside the loop body. How to break the loop? So let's see, we have while true here. How to break it? We use break statement. If we have one level, this break is enough to jump out this while. So let's continue to the for loop here. If we do this, we have the condition, and we inside the loop body we also can check the condition and put a continue. Continue means we'll stop the current cycle. We'll continue to the next one. For example, if we call continue here, this line won't be executed. It will go to the next cycle. So for this one, the similar like this. If equal 0, it will continue. We won't do this. Or you can do this. If it's true, then you do something like this. Okay, this one, no break and continue to the right side of this thing. So let's say we have this statement inside the loop body. We want to do something similar like this. You cannot do the question mark conditional operator here. You cannot do this. You have to use this form. So labels for break and continue. Labels very useful for this case. Let's say we have two levels of loop, like one for inside we have another for. How can we jump out from the whole loop, the first level of for loop? We use label, break label, the outer we will just get out of the whole loop, no matter how many levels. If you define outer for the first level of for loop, we call break outer, it will jump out. Yeah, then labels are not a go-to. Break the label, jump to the label, no, it won't. A label, define the label like this. Then you break the outer, means you just go out of this for loop. It will continue to the next line of the JavaScript. Yeah, that's it for this session. Loops includes while, do while, and for JavaScript. See you next time. Thanks for watching.